How to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and then force quit Instagram by simply swiping up and exiting the app. This gives the app a fresh restart. Next fix for this issue is on your Instagram home screen, swipe towards the right and you will be led to the interface from where you can add story. Here, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the story option you see there. Further, scroll down and under the saving tab, go ahead and make sure the toggle button for save to archive option is toggled on, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for save story to archive. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update Instagram. Also, open settings and tap on general and then on iPhone storage and navigate to Instagram. Further, go ahead and tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then in settings again scroll down and tap on apps and then scroll down again and tap on Instagram. Here, make sure the toggle buttons for photos, camera, and microphones are enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable all these permissions. And if your issue is still not fixed, then open Instagram and tap on your profile on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on the switch account option, and then go ahead and switch to professional account if you are using a personal account, and tap on personal account if you are using a professional account. See if that helps, and if not, then if you have enabled VPN on your device, then disable the VPN and reopen Instagram again, as sometimes VPNs can block features from working smoothly. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram highlights not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.